Edward the Penitent?
I'm really sorry.
I'm afraid sorry doesn't cut it with this Pope.
All right!
There, the perfect sheep shank.
Very nice, Simpson. But next time, tie the other end to the ship.
No.
Does anyone have a calculator?
Myron? No.
And guess who's been practicing medicine without a license? That's right, Homer Simpson.
Hey, this milk's broken.
It's got a computer chip in it. Everything does.
Okay, dads. This is where your child's trust in you really pays off.
Oh.
Now what's wrong?
I've only got 3 more years to live.
Well, maybe you added it wrong. Let me have it.
See? And these quizzes are never wrong, Marge.
At least it wasn't my fault.
Lightning attracted by this metal bucket.
Ew.
That was close.
Please drive off me.
No. So, sitting on the bed, eh?
Get out, Homer.
Yeah, we can have showdowns at the schoolyard and use nerds as Indians. Go.
Joan of Arc, I am your god.
Hi.
Oh, that poor little boy. We've got to find him. How many people live in Brazil?
156 million?
No.
You keep scoring while my back is turned.
No.
Are you sure you're not cheating?
No.
Don't worry. Krusty always lands on his feet.
Help! I got help!
Do not use steam room if you are overweight or have a heart condition. No. Wait a minute. I'm not wearing a shirt.
Now hearing Homer Simpson versus the First Church of Springfield.
Morning, Judge. How's your lovely wife?
She was run over by a clergyman.
Oh, it looks like a happy sheep.
No judge would send a preteen out on his own.
Woohoo! You're still mine! And you thought I was a bad dad before.
Except in this case.
Oh.
I kept my heart, too.
But somehow you realized I was a good guy after all?
No, as a reminder of the hurtful things men can do.
Oh.
But now it can have a second meaning.
These dark spots in his pulmonary arteries are malted milk balls.
His liver looks healthy.
Mm-hmm. That's a wad of Laffy Taffy.
Oh.
What if I introduce a suggestion box?
We have a suggestion box. You made it from the head of the last guy who had a suggestion.
Yeah, but I...
Welcome, son. To survive, all we must do is eat your flesh.
Hold it right there, Bub. What kind of civilized people eat the body and blood of their savior?
We'll take good care of your dog.
I'm sure you will, because you take such good care of your ostriches. Oh, maybe we should get going. Conversation mode? They can talk? I just have to press this button, right? Well, at least it doesn't feel pain. Wait a minute. Oh!
Homer, please. That's creeping me out.
Oh! Let me just... There you are.